Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome to my new video. I hope everyone is well. I am also too. Today I will tell you how important times in human life. Listen, human life is very small in the universe. Every moment of this small life is precious because the time that man gets in the judgment of the universe is very significant. So, one should make the best use of every moment of life. A person who pays attention to time and complete the work in the time he does not fall into any kinds of paradox and he prosper in life. Time and tide wait for none. So we should utilize every moment properly. How was the video? Say in comment. Thanks for watching the video.